welcome to another video. Today I've got a big box here. It's a vacuum from another collector. I've also got Adam here as well to help. So this is actually the second unboxing Adam has witnessed of mine this week. First being the old the Parkside vacuum I got from Lidl's, which is actually quite a good little thing for 30 quid. I'm quite pleased with that. So let's just unbox this. Now this is a 80s vacuum, an 80s upright. I was talking to the collector about a machine that I might be getting from school, and he suggested that he's got this which I can use for parts. Now when I saw it, I thought, I'm not going to use that for parts, I'm actually going to use it as a collection piece. So, first thing out is this, which is a white vacuum hose. It's like a whitey cream colour. So there's that. I've never seen one of these before in my life. I think they're quite rare.
I see the end on this is a bit like the pneumatic one, quite.
Yeah. We've got a hard floor brush, which looks very much like a Hoover one, but it isn't a Hoover one. There is some bits missing with this as well. We've got these small tools, we've got an upholstery tool, and a very nice dusting brush. We have a handle. Now that might give it away to what it is. And the actual handle shaft itself. There's the handle shaft. Got the cable, which I don't think is original because it's white. That's got your favourite plug on there, Adam. Perma plug. Yeah, I don't think this cable's original. I think these would have had orange cables on them originally.
Cable's quite goofy.
Yeah, there's the top bit that should just click in there. It's got a crack in the top actually, but oh well. And
that is a bit.
Indeed, he did mention that, but the machine is a commercially used vacuum, so we'll just put that there for now, and we'll get the rest of the machine out. And that is it for that.
Does it actually work then?
Yeah, it does work and everything. It does work. It's just quite battered, but it should clean up fine. So here is the power heads. It is an Enzyme 350. So there's the power head. That looks in pretty good condition. Actually, well, it's got a few little cracks in it and it's quite scuffed.
Still safe and super for you.
But that should be good. He's put a loose set of brushes in there for me as well, so that's quite nice of him. All this should polish up lovely. Bit of sieve and that should be fine. And here is the main body of the vacuum. Just unwrap this all. Put the hose. That of course goes in the top there. And this should just unwrap like this. I can get it undone. So
see that top point that's been broken.
Yeah. So there we go, that's what it is. It is a Jeyes Hygiene vacuum. Now, I knew this would be taken apart, so I've got a screwdriver to hand. So let's just take these screws out the back of this handle. Now I've wanted one of these, well not one of these exactly, but a cream and brown one.
Oh, it's dusting brush swivels, you know.
Does it? That's cool. I've wanted a cream brown one for ages.
It's actually rubber as well.
Nice. I've wanted the later one. I forget what it's called now.
It's got proper bristles on this.
Yeah. I wanted the what's the name of it?
Sebo.
The Sebo 360. That's it.
Yeah. The 360. I think that was the first attack down like the box at the bottom. That's got like a rounded.
Yeah.
Bottom.
I thought I was going to hit me in my head then.
So when your bags fit on them?
No, I've got no bags. I'll have to do a naughty with this. And
wait, I had Sebo bag at home. I would have bought it from you.
Shit. Yeah, there we go. That should go in there like that. And then
to line it up as well, innit?
Yeah, we have to line it up and everything first. Right, I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll put the handle here on. Oh, bloody hell, it's a flathead. Hang on, let me go and get a flathead screwdriver. I thought it'd be all Phillips, but it's not. Here we go. Flathead screwdriver. Now, I think this might be from 1984. I can't be too sure though.
Well, it wasn't the 350 towards like the end of the 70s, early 80s.
Yeah, but
So it could be.
when the collector went and picked this up, he was talking to someone there, and they said they remember it being new in 1984. So, but I don't know how accurate that is. People say stuff was new.
Because we're having this conversation earlier as well.
Yeah. 'Cause I knew that. I know they did make this one alongside the 360 for a while, but I'm not too sure on the history of sebo as of pneumatics.
It would have been sick, you know, if they had an evolution on hand as well.
Yeah, I sold my evolution, but I didn't use it.
This one, the oldest ones, that's one of the newest ones.
Yeah.
Side.
Alright, let's just put this one in. Yeah, I'll have to do a naughty when I use this. Well, I'll quickly run it around my room.
That back door's got glue all over it.
Yeah, the back doors. It needs a new back door.
Hopefully you can get one from school, innit? But
Hopefully, but it won't. Well, one's at school, cream and brown. But I might be able to get a new one from someone. Might have to ring up sebo, see what they have to offer.
right.
So
Didn't you get a Karcher one from school once?
yeah, I did get a Karcher version from school, but that was off the 350. But yeah, the bag doors are exactly the same.
No, but you see Karcher, apparently, you know they're sebo looking upright?
Yeah.
They have the licensing rights from sebo, but it's actually made by them.
Yeah.
Karcher make it.
But this one was pretty much.
That would explain, you know, why that head didn't work with it at first.
What?
Remember that cream sebo head that's been up in the Swift now?
Yeah.
That explains why it wouldn't work with the Karcher.
No, it did work. It was just the switch on it was glued in.
Did you see how much dust just came out of that?
Well, there's loads of dust come out.
Yeah, oh.
I can't wait to open it again. Just pull this cable up through this.
That cable, does
probably
it just free flow in and out of that?
Yeah, it just free flows in and out of it. But yeah, the hose goes in there.
If you get one from school and that, and you got parts left over, I might be all done.
Yeah.
I want another sebo for ages.
Mhm.
I just saw the X4. I had that when I was in year 7, you know.
Bloody hell. And then that should just
Wait, you know the lock thing on it.
click into there, and it leans forward a bit. But I didn't know that it leant forward.
It's quite a small upright when you think about it.
Yeah, it's quite tall actually.
It's tall but slender compared to that turbo power or something.
Yeah.
This and the
Yeah.
Swift next to each other looks sick.
Yeah, they look quite cool. And then there's the handle it goes with. And then how does this hose go on? I'm not
It goes to the end like that.
Oh, does it just go on then? Ah.
Yeah. I'm sure you know someone has a massive extension one that goes on there.
Yeah, that was the later 350, but yeah, they go on there.
It's actually got an address on there. 8 Welbeck Way, Woodston, Peterborough.
Yeah.
It's got a phone number on it, I don't want to read that. They got the postcode is P27W something.
Mhm.
Well, it's on an off switch, this big white thing.
Yeah.
It's got a nice back check indicator, I think.
Mhm. I know for a fact I'm sure the later ones of these.
This is going to require so much sitting and patience.
Yeah, this is going to take a long while to.
I actually think refurbing this is a 2-man job. No effort.
Maybe, but this will be
That's just
one that will be done over a couple of days or weeks.
Yeah, maybe like 1 week you do the
I'll do it in. Yeah, that's what I was planning to do. But yeah.
Next time we're going to meet up will be thingy April, so
Yeah.
it will be done by then probably.
Hopefully, yeah, it'll be done by then. So what I'm going to quickly do now, I'm going to plug it in. So Adam, if you could move your tools out of the way, that'd be good.
Oh, it's
Cheers.
got a reset button on it as well.
Has it?
Yeah, that red thing here.
Oh yeah.
It goes audio warning, so it just means it makes a loud noise.
Yeah. But Sam did have one of these because he picked it up for someone.
He had a cream one, a cream brown one that he picked up for Oddie.
And then he had one of these as well, like the exact same one as this, that he picked up for someone. And
I swear Sebo's headquarters near his house.
yeah, it's in
Somewhere in Buckinghamshire, I think. Or
Buckinghamshire, whatever it is. But yeah, let's just plug this in quick.
I wonder what motor this has got in it.
Don't know, but we'll give it a go, shall we? I don't really plug vacuums in like this for this close, but you know, here we go. Room's dry though.
How heavy is it?
It's quite heavy actually. No, it's not that heavy, but you know. But yeah, it works alright, I suppose.
That's light, you know.
Yeah, it works alright. Let's just test the suction.
It's better than a DC03, so
Yeah, I suppose it is.
anything is different.
But yeah, that's alright, I don't mind that. I didn't pay for it. I only paid postage, which wasn't a lot.
It's got a patent sticker on it from 2011 on it.
Yeah. But yeah, it is
I wonder what that is.
cleaning. I don't know what that is.
It looks like another cable, but there's something up there, so it's redundant.
Yeah.
That cable probably needs a bottle of stiff on its own.
Yeah, I'm not going to use this cable. I'm going to put an orange one on it. Probably put that orange one I've got on that Vax commercial on it. But yeah, there we go. There is my Enzyme 350. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. And of course, bye for now.